Hi guys. Today I will show you on how to read PDF files with LightPDF editor. To start, simply visit the official page of LightPDF and install the software by clicking the Download PDF Editor button. After that, launch the tool and open the PDF file by clicking the Click to Open PDF button. Now, I will show you on how to read PDF. The cursor has two options: the hand and selection. When you select the hand, text and pictures cannot be selected even in edit mode. Next is the floating window. The floating window has tools such as zooming out and page turning. It can be moved and hidden. After hiding, click the button in the lower right corner to open the floating window. Here we have reading mode, wherein it can display 1 or 2 pages at a time or view it continuously. Zooming in and out is also possible. Display actual page size, fit height and fit width. If in case you want to jump in a corresponding page, you can simply enter the page number and press enter on your keyboard. You can also turn page up and down by simply clicking the arrow. How to add bookmarks in PDF. Open the PDF document. Turn to a page that needs to be bookmarked. Choose the second button, Bookmarks, on the left toolbar. Click the plus sign to add a bookmark on the corresponding page, and name the bookmark. If you want to delete a bookmark, select the corresponding bookmark and click the Recycle Bin button. Left click on the bookmark to jump to the corresponding page to continue reading. How to search text in PDF. Open the PDF document. Select the third button, Search, on the left toolbar to jump out of the search bar. Enter text to search text in PDF. If you want to search for English words, please pay attention to whether it is match case. How to add in a link. Open the PDF document. Click Edit button, then Link. Select text, picture, or blank position, then it will pop out the setting link window. Set the line type, highlight style, line width and color. Lastly, enter the page, web link or file you want to jump to. And those are the steps on how to read PDF files with LightPDF editor. Thank you for watching.